Third important tool that we are going to discuss to identify the problems in a process is check sheets. Check sheets are tools that make the data collection process easier by providing pre-written descriptions of events likely to occur. So it's a very good data collection tool. Although they are simple, check sheets are extremely useful process improvement and problem solving tools. Their power is greatly enhanced when they are used in conjunction with other simple tools such as histograms and Pareto analysis. So we saw the example of Pareto analysis in which we drew the frequency of problems on the y-axis. So check sheets are actually used to collect the frequency of problems that can be used further to draw the Pareto chart. Similarly, to construct histograms, check sheets could be a very good tool to collect data for the histogram. This is a very important point by Ishikawa that he estimated that 80 to 90% of all workplace problems could be solved using only the simple quality improvement tools like check sheets, fishbone diagram, Pareto analysis, control charts, and others. So that is very important. So we should not underestimate the simple tools like check sheets, fishbone diagram, or Pareto analysis, and others. Here is an example of check sheet in which we have identified few possible problems that can occur in a process. This is a soldering process. And after certain time, we just count how many problems occurred in a certain lot of products made. And we just draw a vertical line generally or line at some angle. And for the fifth problem, we just draw this slanted line. So we can easily count the number of problems. So 5 plus 5 plus 4, 14, for example. So this is the way to count the frequency of problems. This is also a check sheet, but here we have further classified the problem with respect to part number in the product family. So we can identify, for example, cold soldering problem occurred 4 times in part 1011 and 5 times in part 4011 and so on. So it could have different variants, different formats, but the basic idea is to count the number of problems either in a product family or individual products. So these check sheets are defect check sheets. So we can identify what is the most frequent problem. We can target that process where this problem is occurring, or we can further construct the Pareto chart to see which of the combination of the problems are most frequent using 80-20 rule, and we can target the largest contributors for improvement. Check sheet could be having different formats. So what is shown is defect location check sheet. So here the defects are shown on a diagram or figure. So drawing photographs, layout diagrams, or maps which show where a particular problem occurs. So in figure, for example, in left figure, the location of the complaints from customer about lamination problems on a running shoe are shown as an X. So lamination problem could occur at this position, here, or at this front. So not only we can know the frequency, but also the location of the problem. In this figure, you can see that these are the points where flaw can occur, and these are the problem where tears can occur, and so on. So the diagram makes it easy to identify problem area that would be difficult to depict otherwise. But more commonly used format for check sheets is this one, where we count the problems and then either target the most frequent problem or construct any further diagram like histogram or Pareto chart. Thank you.